Good afternoon, everyone. How's it going? So today we're gonna be working on a few things, mainly cleaning an engine. So I actually took the liberty of taking out some bolts. This is gonna be for the, gotta remember what it is, the idle air control valve. There we go. So I'll show you here in a second. So working on getting that off right there. So I got it off. The engine surges when I start it, so I know this is a spot to look. So I cleaned it up. It looks pretty rough, I'm gonna be honest. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the bolts up because it's rust and I like things looking good. So in order to make this engine look a little bit better, one bolt at a time, we're gonna go ahead and do that. So like I have everything kind of set up to where nothing gets in there. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of get this done a little bit before because it looks awful. So I'll show you guys in a minute on how everything's done. So let's do a little time lapse of me getting these bolts done and we'll get started. Also, just kind of in better quality, this thing is just super dirty. It's seen better days. 250,000 miles, it will get you. Here's one of the problems. This is one of the reasons why we took the engine out. We got this on, but not that. So, gonna get that worked on. It's just gross, but it's cool that the original paint is still on it. It's flaking off, but it's still there. I also took the liberty of sanding this down because it looks better. This did have some stop leak in it, so that is going to be the next thing that we're going to be addressing, is how to remove that, because that, I'm going to be honest, is disgusting. So we got a dirty engine, but we're going to go ahead and clean it up. This one I couldn't really do much on, but it looks way better than what I had before. Okay, so now, just gonna put them in. So again, another time lapse and then we'll get this ball rolling. I don't know why I can't think of it right now. A pressure washer, there we go, my lord. Got that hooked up. Gonna go here and we're gonna clean this bad boy up. But we're gonna go ahead and spray it down first. Well, gosh darn it, look at this. Still has a factory paint on it. 250,000 miles. And still looking good. I'm just glad I got most of, like, this looks awful. But this looks way better than it did. So there's that. Back here looks really good. Even those look really good. I'm very impressed with that. So yeah, there we go. And that's probably the best way, usually how I do things, and how to clean up an engine a little bit, make it nice, clean. I'm very impressed with this. Like, yeah, it's still gonna look like this, but it's still way better than what it was. Well, there you have it. Something easy, something simple. I'm gonna get this thing done eventually. Right now it is a little too late at the current moment. So I can't really do that because it's gonna get night here pretty soon. I don't wanna bother the neighbors. So I'll do a separate video on that one, but going step forward, we're doing pretty good.